Hello everybody, this is Octember fail number 5. Unfortunately, the Magic Chef microwave from 1988 is not doing so well right now. I've got parts ordered. Hopefully my diagnosis is correct. I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart and double check and see if there's any additional parts I need to order. I really don't want to plug it in and do a demonstration of it to further damage anything else that's might be difficult to get, but I went to cook my oatmeal this morning and it never did heat it up, and the microwave was making a louder noise than normal, kind of rumbling too. So my suspicion is the Magnetron went bad in it. So I'm going to order that. I've got a capacitor and diode ordered, and we'll back up a minute. I've never worked on a microwave before, but I'm going to give it a good try to get it going again, because I don't want to buy a new microwave. First order of business is, this is extremely dirty and kind of greasy buildup on top. We're going to break out the Super Clean and see what that'll do for us. The Super Clean is applied, and I can tell already that's going to do a wonderful job. A couple of moments later, we're sparkling clean. Nice and smooth to the touch. There's an example of the dirt the Super Clean removed. I'm sure the inside is just as dirty. I'm going to be lubricating the fan and everything on this. Once I get the parts in, take it all apart. Well, here's the inside of the 1988 Magic Chef. One problem it was having is the fan was rubbing every once in a while. Not all the time, but you can hear that. And I fixed it once. I did it, pulled it back out to demonstrate. All it was, it needed to be pushed back on the hub a little bit. Now it's freed up, and I will put a little oil on these bearings. I'm going to have to find some of this weather stripping, because this is all just brittle as it can be and will crumble the second I touch it. All this up here is the same way. That will not hold up. So there's the Magnetron, made in Japan. It's Panasonic branded. That motor seems pretty good for that fan. I've now got the microwave in the workshop. I've got it plugged in. I'm going to see if it does anything at all. Take a temperature of the water. 69.8 degrees. And I'll turn it on for, I'll do 30 seconds. And hear what it sounds like. Not sounding good. I don't think the Magnetron's outputting anything. Really don't want to run it too long like that. Now, did it do anything? Nope. It looked like it might have got colder. No, it didn't even think about heating that up. So, yep. What I've got a Magnetron, a capacitor, a new fuse, and a diode kit ordered. So whenever that comes in, I will see what I can do to get that in. I'm going to have to get some new weather stripping, because that's going to just crumble as soon as I start taking that apart. So I'm going to try to do it the most minimally invasive way possible. I think I can salvage this, be really careful with it, and then put some new adhesive on it, and it should be okay. But we'll see. I may end up having to get a new piece and just cut it to fit. Forgot to show this. It's got the schematic diagram of everything. Not sure if this was originally attached to the cabinet or it was just like that when I opened the cabinet up. I've got my capacitor discharging rig going here. I went ahead and removed the magnetron right down there. That looks to me, if it'll focus, there we go, in the center of the screen, looks like that arced out right there. And it's corresponding, it's going to be hard to see. There's a spot on that material that looks like it's arced out as well. Right there. Very difficult to discern it. So hopefully a new Magnetron will fix it right up along with all the other goodies I've got coming for this machine.